Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word stability. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Even though the economy experienced fluctuations, the government implemented measures to ensure stability in the financial markets. Stability refers to a state of steadiness, firmness, or reliability, particularly in financial, social, or political contexts, to prevent sudden or disruptive changes. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.